If you're in outside sales, you know the drill, right? The constant travel, the hours of prep, the mountain of admin work. It all chips away at the one thing that truly moves the needle: FaceTime with your customers. But what if you had a strategic partner working 24/7 behind the scenes, handling all of that for you? Well, that's what we're digging into today: how generative AI is becoming that indispensable partner and completely changing the game. And just so we're all on the same page, everything we're about to cover comes directly from Chapter 7 of a fantastic tutorial by Virtualization Options LLC. So let me just ask you a question. When you really think about your day-to-day, what is your single most valuable, most precious resource? The one thing you just can't get more of? It's not your pitch deck. It's not even your amazing product. It's your time. Every single hour you spend driving, doing paperwork, or prepping for a meeting is an hour you are not in front of a customer, building the kind of relationships that actually lead to closed deals. And that, right there, is the core problem we're going to solve. This is where we have to reframe how we see AI. This isn't about replacing you. It's about giving you a strategic partner. Think of it as the ultimate assistant, one that tackles all the tedious prep work and the critical follow-up, freeing you up to do what you do best: connect with people. So, what kind of impact are we talking about? Well, AI can help automate up to, get this, 80% of that time-sucking preparation and follow-up. Just let that sink in for a second. It lets you flip the script, moving from all that busy work around the sale to the crucial face-to-face moments that are the sale. Okay, so how does this actually work in the real world? Let's start with the big picture: your sales territory. This is Act 1, where AI turns territory planning from just drawing lines on a map into a deeply strategic mission. Just look at the shift. It's night and day. The old way was pretty basic, right? We'd segment by geography or revenue. But with AI, oh, it's a whole new ballgame. Now you can analyze accounts based on their future growth potential, their strategic fit with your company, even the depth of the relationships you already have. It's about looking past who buys the most today and asking who represents the biggest opportunity tomorrow. This leads to something called white space analysis, which is just a fancy way of saying using AI to find the hidden treasure in your territory. Instead of you spending hours digging through spreadsheets, the AI can just tell you. It can flag that a customer who bought product A is a perfect candidate for product B, or point out an account where your main competitor is vulnerable. It's about finding revenue that was hiding in plain sight. All right, Act 2. Let's zoom in. We've gone from the 30,000-foot view of your entire territory right down to the ground level, getting ready for one single make-or-break customer meeting. Instead of that frantic last-minute scramble to get prepped, AI gives you a structured, repeatable workflow. It turbocharges your research, helps you lock in crystal-clear objectives, lets you game out the tough questions you know are coming, and customizes your materials so they hit home with that specific customer. This isn't about taking shortcuts. It's about making your prep exponentially better and faster. And look how simple it can be. A prompt just like this one, it's a total game changer. Instead of you spending an hour clicking through news sites and financial reports, you get a perfect one-page brief in minutes. Seriously, imagine walking into every single meeting with that level of targeted insight. That's a huge confidence booster. Okay, Act 3. The meeting was a home run. You shook hands, you're walking out the door feeling great, but we all know the job isn't done. Not even close. Now it's all about winning the follow-through and keeping that momentum alive. A great meeting feels like a victory, for sure. But that handshake? It's really just the starting gun. The real work is just beginning, because a deal can absolutely fall apart if the follow-up is slow, sloppy, or just non-existent. Because in sales, momentum is everything. The speed and quality of your follow-up tells your customer everything they need to know about how much you value their business. Any delay, any hesitation, it just creates doubt. And you know what doubt does? It kills deals. And this is where your AI partner is an absolute superstar. Picture this. You get back to your car, and while everything is still fresh in your mind, you just dictate your notes. Instantly, the AI gets to work. It drafts a perfect follow-up email. It updates your CRM with structured notes and action items. It even creates a custom one-pager for you to send and get started on the first draft of the proposal. It's not just about being fast. It's about being flawless. Nothing ever slips through the cracks. So when you put it all together, the AI advantage is crystal clear. It's a fundamental change in your job description. By taking over all the time-consuming prep and follow-up, it elevates you from being an administrator to being a true strategist. It frees you up to focus on the human stuff that AI can't do, building real rapport, untangling complex problems, and of course, closing big deals. So I'll leave you with this to chew on. If AI could magically give you back, say, 5 hours of prep and admin time every single week, what would you do with it? Which key relationships would you go deeper on? What big strategic opportunities would you finally have time to chase? That's the real potential we're talking about here.